Africa will develop with or without support from Europe. The problem was us. It was not Europe which was the problem. It was us who were asleep. A lot of social infrastructure between us and the West. But somehow the West have been really badly led. They don't have good leaders. It takes long to get good leaders because they had Adam Smith, who helped to clarify the vision of where wealth comes from, because that was a big problem. There was a conceptual. How do we move forward? It's not so easy, because like from the time of the Renaissance, for almost 300 years, there was confusion which way to go. This is a very good initiative because it is a win-win formula. Europe must stop buying raw materials from Africa. The region should take this one up, those Jews who are clever. for knowing that when they invest here, it's good for Europe, it's good for us. Good, that's what we have been telling them.
It is a time that the Bridging Foundation has to do the selection of the international companies that are being trusted and are being capable of actually implementing the projects that they are going to deliver into Uganda. And that process of selection of the companies takes a bit of time because there are all sorts of processes. I'll come back to that. And then eventually, once that has been done, there will be the availability of the funds that is going to be delivered to Uganda. Nothing will have to be provided from our annual budget. It will still be all paid for by the Bridging Foundation. And the projects are going to be managed by one of the, what they call the Big Four. That is KPMG, Ernst & Young, Deloitte, and PricewaterhouseCoopers. So those will be selected for each project to be able to do the management, because Bridging Foundation is not going to do the management here themselves. They will actually contract that out to those Big Four.
Since the signing of the agreement in on April 12 last year, Forum has been engaging with the Ugandan universities to be ready for these projects. We visited Mbarara University of Science and Technology. The land is available, the institutional support processes are in place, and they're waiting for kicking off this process.